hat uns unzählige Fälle gelöst.
Ja, und es kriegt da richtig eins auf die Fresse.
Ich habe auf Berkenbusch gesetzt.
Wie bitte?
People are sitting at home watching TV. They really don't know what craft is behind it and how it's actually done. On location, there are the actors, the director, the lighting man, sound engineers. But when shooting is done, all the raw data comes here to us and we do the rest.
Und Box.
I'm Hendrik Bleier. I'm a sound designer and re-recording mixer at ACT Headquarter in Cologne, Germany.
Tourkutsche?
Mal sehen. Die Quoten stehen 7:1. Gegen dich.
Sound was a big part of my life. I started creating music where I was playing piano from 6. At some point in my life, it started from shifting from music to film. When I saw the movies in the theaters, it was amazing. Doing the work on the dubbing stage, the sound design, the mixing, that's what I like to do.
Die Wilgo-Eröffnung? Ernsthaft?
Ich dachte nur, Sie wollen lieber amüsiert untergehen.
ACT Headquarter is one of the oldest private post-production companies here in Cologne. Our customers are basically all the big broadcasting stations like WDR, RTL, RTL2, Sat1, Pro7. But we also do some cinema work, and we do everything that comes after the location shooting. Prepare it for the editors in the cutting room. When that is done, the color grading happens. What you actually do with color grading is you create a certain look and feel. So when that is done, it gets transferred to us, and we do the sound editing of the dialogue, and then we do the sound design, everything that's not recorded on location. We also do then ADR when dialogue was not recorded properly. So we take all the tracks from the dialogue editors, from the sound designer. We get the music from the composer sent to us, and we mix it all together. And that's like the first time the movie is shown finished, and it's also the first time the movie really comes alive. So this is a really cool moment.
Sagen Sie Ihrem Etat gut bei, Berkenbusch.
Das werden wir sehen, Winterberg. Auf einen fairen Kampf.
So in here, in our main dubbing stage, we work with a Nuage console. It's 2 fader packs and a master, and I really love working with it because it gives me so much flexibility. And once you get used to it, which is a really small learning curve, it's really great. Once you know Nuendo, you actually know the console because it's so integrated. All the functions you have in Nuendo are basically on the console. Before we had the Nuage, it was always kind of a hassle to do what you would like to do. Once we got the console, it's much more creative. So you have the idea, you can really just do it. What really sticks out, like from all the other DAWs, is the ADR feature. That's really unique to Nuendo. And also customers are always surprised how quick it can be. When we want to alter a sentence, it's so easy and convenient. You can just click in the marker window, type in the new sentence, and ready to go. And like the sound engineer coming from a different studio was really like, okay, that's amazing. That's how fast it is. When a production is finished here and like it's on TV and people at home are watching it and enjoying it, it really is like the best compliment we can get.
Mein Sohn.